20th March 2020, 5:30 a.m. The four men convicted of gang raping and brutalizing Nirbhaya back in 2012 have finally been executed. They have been hanged till death. A doctor has declared them dead. There were jubilant scenes this morning outside Tihar jail where the execution took place. There were people who say that a sense of justice has finally been served. Of course, it's been a long struggle, a long legal trial, and a mental trial for the parents of Nirbhaya, Asha Devi and Badrinath. They spoke to the media this morning. They talked about their struggle and they said that they feel vindicated today. There is a sense of closure for the parents. It's been a 7-year, 3-month long struggle for them to see this day. This day is being called historic. It's a historic day for daughters of India. Nirbhaya's mother, Asha Devi, said it's a day that will be remembered for a long time. But so will that day in 2012, December 16th, when that unspeakable crime was carried out on the streets of Delhi at a time when many of us, you and I, are out on the roads even now. In fact, this long legal struggle began in 2012. In 2013, the case was fast tracked, and of course, execution was the order given by the courts. In 2017, the order of a fast track court in the Delhi High Court was upheld by the Supreme Court, but since then, the case has been languishing. The state government had been sitting on the papers of these convicts, and finally, when those papers moved, the convicts began knocking on the doors of higher courts and the Supreme Court, petitioning and arguing that it's been a gross miscarriage of justice and seeking for a stay on the execution. But of course, they had exhausted all their legal remedies. Their curative petitions had been dismissed. Their mercy pleas had been rejected. However, until last night, that is the intervening night of 19th March and 20th March, this morning when the execution took place, the convicts once again went and appealed through their lawyer to the High Court as well as the Supreme Court for a stay on the execution, which was, of course, ultimately dismissed. It's been a long legal struggle, and immediately after the gang rape, there was an outpouring of emotion. So many people spilled onto the streets. If you remember, so many students, so many NGOs, so many activists were on the streets of Delhi demanding justice for Nirbhaya, which is perhaps one of the reasons that this case was fast tracked and this case was given so much media attention and so much legal attention. In fact, it even sparked changes in the rape laws in the country. Tougher rape laws were made post the Nirbhaya case. The rape laws were given more teeth. There were more stringent punishments for rape and even a death penalty for those criminals who are repeat offenders. However, rape laws were given more teeth, but that does not mean that there were no more rape cases in India or that the subsequent rape cases that came to light were dealt with in a manner that befits those cases, in an urgent manner, in a manner that would put a stop to this horrible crime in India. Rape laws, experts say that the laws are great, but the implementation is extremely poor. So what needs to be done now? What is the road ahead is the question. Of course, there will be, unfortunately, I feel bad saying this, there will be many more Nirbhayas. And these men who were hanged today, they are not the last. There will be more. So what is the road ahead? How do we ensure that we as a society can at least bring some, we stop these crimes? At least we can ensure that the justice system, that these criminals cannot exploit the loopholes in our legal system in order to drag out the cases for 7 years, as we've seen in this case. So the law enforcement has to really pull up its socks. There has to be better policing, and they have to do their job even without a public outcry. Every case will not see the kind of spotlight that has been given for Nirbhaya. There are so many Nirbhayas across the country, in every village, in every town. The law enforcement, the police have to really do their jobs. They have to treat rape like the horrible and unspeakable crime that it is. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.